So this is Ulfberht PC case, and it's supposed to sit just right next to your LCD on top of your desk. And the power button is at the back, right in the corner, so you will have easy access to it. And for the USB ports, you just use the motherboard USB ports. They are good enough. So we are not going to provide any USB port. You can buy another hub in order to do that. Then this is how to install it. You can just open the door, and there is a 3.5 inch hard drive can go in there, and the power supply will go just right in here. So because we don't have any heat sink on top of the processor, we have a lot of room in order to put the power supply, and we are using that in order to fulfill a smallest form factor and putting the largest power supply, largest motherboard of course, and a couple of graphic cards inside it. So you're just going to put this in and mount it, close it back up. That's it. That's the Ulfberht. You're good to go.